This is a bunker steering wheel lock. Disassembly. This piece of plastic was covering the shaft. It's very thick. Once you get it off, you have to cut it off. You have access to these pins. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, so bear with me. The pins go through. They're sort of like a big rivet. They're heavy steel. You can take a drill it right here. What it'll do, it'll give you access to the cartridge. You can take some channel locks or vice grips, grip it here, slide it out. This pin here slides into the front part of the lock. See it? Or you can take a drill and drill out this pin. That'll separate this big heavy part from the shaft. This is the cylinder lock. The little pin lines up with this hole right here. See how it works? I'm not sure how to get this out the rest of the way. This one's locked up. This pin will not move. So my advice is the easiest way is the front pin. Take some channel locks, pull this out.